I'm actually going to be painting light switches. And they're actually the things that go on here. But I have already taken them off. So, yeah. And, yeah. I couldn't forget what I was going to say. There's going to be some bad angles. Really, there is. And, would you do me a favor? I think my dog just walked in. Will you go ahead and do me a favor and just hit that like button, subscribe, and please turn on them post notifications to be updated with every time I make a video. Sorry that I'm moving the camera so much. It's a habit. Also go follow my TikTok, link in the description. Well, not a link, but you know, just go look in the description if you want it. But yeah, so let's start the video. Well, the first color that I'm going to do is this Americana white. I'm just going to put it right over here. And that's good. Right here, and I'm just going to make sure it doesn't tip off the side. So, yeah. Next color is going to be Tangerine, Craftsmart. I'm holding the camera, so sorry if it's getting bad angles. This one never comes out right. Oop, but that worked. The color is actually a lot brighter on the camera, but it is darker in real life. So, yeah. The color that I'm going to do is this dark blue Craftsmart acrylic paint. And I'm just going to take this cap and open it. And I'm just going to, hopefully it doesn't drip off the side. Oh, it splattered. That's okay, just a little bit, so yeah. What I have is this pink Cadillac color. It's from Americana, and my camera's not focusing, so sorry. So now we're just gonna open it and squirt it out. And over here. Oh my gosh. Okay, so hopefully that doesn't spread to those colors, because it might. I mean, paint spreads a lot. So yeah, sorry for bad angles and bad lighting. I mean, ooh. What I'm doing is this grass green Craftsmart color. Oh, and that pink is going everywhere. And we're just gonna take this one and spray like this. So yeah, hopefully that doesn't drip into that one, or that one doesn't drip into that one, because yay! Okay, so see you in a second. So, I have all my colors down, and I'm actually going to take, in a little corner, I'm going to take my pink and my tangerine. I'm going to mix them for the base color, because in this one, the base color is that color. You can see it on the side, especially a little bit on the front, especially in the white areas, like all over here and stuff like that. So we're just gonna put that back down. So I'll be right back when I mix them together. Okay, I'm back, and the color is really pretty. It might be a little darker. So this is what the color turned out with. I mixed them with the end of the brush. Okay, so don't judge me, please. So I'm gonna paint this, and I'm gonna go ahead and get back to you when I'm done. So yeah, I finished the first coat. So my paintbrush. Oh my gosh. Really? So, I just heard something. My window. My sister just opened my window a little bit. So, yeah. But here's, it's as, that's only the first coat, so it looks really bad. And I'm holding it red. It's actually a lot brighter. A lot of a lighter color. It looks pink from this angle on camera, but we're gonna go. So we already painted this one. So we'll move on and paint the next one right here. Yeah, finished. So this is what it turned out to be like. I'm trying not to get my hands that dirty, but yeah. It looks a lot lighter. This is only the first coat, and they still have to dry. I'll get back to you when they dry, okay? So, yeah. While we are waiting for the light switches to dry, I just want to say, comment down below for more video ideas, and I do not have a sponsor for my videos. Duh, because I'm a first timer. And yeah, I really don't know what I'm doing, so help me out. So, the first coat on the first one that I did is all done. It's gonna need more than one coat because see up here you can see the discoloration, stuff like that. And so that's what more coats does, it like fixes it. So just gonna fix it and paint it. It would be amazing if you guys would like and subscribe, because I would just love that. Second coat is almost done. The next one might be done by the time I'm done doing the second coat on this one. So that's why I'm not skipping to the end. But my videos should get better and better. I am in other YouTube videos, not just famous ones, like just little small little careers. And my friend's name is Julia. Yeah. My next video might be a Q&A. So here's the second coat done. It should be drying in a second. Now I'm gonna go check and see if my other coat is done, and I'll get back to you if it is. So the second coat is done. Not on this one. It is dry. First coat is dry. So now I'm just gonna add the second coat. Nice and neat. And actually my next video might just be a vlog at my school. I'll get back to you when the second coat is done. Second coat's done. So, they're dry. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take part of a paper towel and I'm going to dip it in a color. I'm actually doing pink for this one. I'm just going to dab it all over it. Here. Okay. And then I'm going to fold it so that I don't touch the paint and so the paint does not touch the light switch. I'm just going to dab it on here. Because it's going to make it lighter and more visible through it. See? So that's just the first parts of it. And then we're going to take this and we're going to set it right here. I'm going to take the second part of it, and I think I'm going to go ahead and do tangerine. And it's just all over the place, and then we're going to go boom, boom, and right here. So right there. And then I haven't flipped it over and done the other colors yet. So I'm gonna really do that. So now here's what it looks like that. And this is actually a really fast process, which I love. So now I'm just gonna take another little piece, and this part is gonna be white. Now dab it on here, dab it on here, and dab it on here right here. And now since this is white, it's kind of hard to tell, so I just put my finger in the paint. So dab it on here. Oops, some of the paint came off a little bit because I held it down a little too long. But that's okay. And then for the last one, we're just gonna, yeah. So it actually looks a lot better than the one that I did already. So what it looks like. And yeah, they're done. Here is the first one. Here's what it turned out to be like. The noise outside, it's different. My sisters are being really loud. They have friends over. They're in the front yard. And this is the second one. And I'm just going to sorry, there's one right here, and I keep pointing at it like you guys can see it, but you guys can't. So this is what they turned out to be like. Comment down below which one looks best. Honestly, I did not want them to turn out like this. This one's too dark. This one, all the colors ended up mixing and stuff like that. And there's too much green on it, even though green's my favorite color, just too much. And this is what I initially wanted them to look like. This is one that I did way before. I failed. So yeah, thanks for watching, and comment down below which one is your favorite, and bye.